Yeah, so the reason we bought the robot was to make a product that goes into decorative interior millworks. So things that fill up the commercial space.
Our main goals with automating this process was to have the process be a little bit more efficient and kind of to expand our capacity.
We really focused our attention on understanding what the process issues were, what the material issues were, so that we could ready them for the automation.
It was very challenging for them to make one of these products. By nature, the tolerances required to make these a good product was very difficult, and they would spend a long time building one. Each person would spend quite a while.
So the manual operation, there's a lot more variables working with the wood and the material and the setups, because we were drilling all of our backers on the CNC machines.
And there were a lot of mistakes they could make along the way, whether it be not taking a dimension correctly, not making it square, not drilling the holes correctly, not tightening it down right.
If we were running them on one machine and then the next machine, the setups could potentially be different.
Throughout that whole process, if they screwed up in one area, that could be a junk piece that ends up happening there. And that's a big waste of time. So then after automating, we were able to control all those things. And in fact, we were able to do it in such a way that the speed was better, the quality control was better.
The variable manufacturing costs that go into making this product have decreased as a result of having the robot. And of course that means that we're able to allow that product to get into the market at favorable price points, still favorable to us and favorable to our customers, and grow it to a level that has been a win-win.
Using the robot, they could control that process, and the product was just a better built product in the end.
But having an automated solution that allows us to, and a continuous automated solution that allows us to make these products with that level of tolerance really creates a win-win for us and our customers and their customers' customers.
And it is way more precise, a lot less room for error.
We have been running this for about a year. Overall, the primary benefits have been that we've been able to flow to work in a much cleaner way than we had in the past. In terms of big results, financial results, we predicted somewhere around year 5 of this automation project we would need to rescale and put in additional units. And frankly, the project has been so successful and the product launch has been so successful that we're darn near the 5-year mark in terms of our current production, and needing to ask the question, how soon can we put another robot in?